Hi, welcome back to our channel. We're glad y'all are spending a little bit of time with us today. This won't be a really long video. Just a couple of quick things we're going to do. It's already getting really hot out here and then it's supposed to rain this afternoon. But we're glad you're going to spend a little time with us. Okay, so the plan today is to put the tea that we got at Lowe's yesterday on the supply lines for the sink. So Gary's gone to his building to find, I don't know if he said compound or something to put it on with. So anyway, that's what we'll be working on today. So what's the plan for today?
Well, I'm looking for my thread hoop.
Uh-huh.
And then we'll put on the fitting up there on that and supply line.
On the supply line for the sink, right?
Uh-huh. Soon I'll find my threads in there.
I was standing here waiting on Gary and happened to look down. Look at the water that's caught in that plastic. At least that didn't go inside, thank goodness. I'm glad Gary covered it up. I cleaned up so at least we can walk in here. Gary wants us to go ahead and tear the ceiling down next. But I was kind of thinking we should insulate and get our walls up for our interior coverings before we tear the ceiling down. Y'all let me know in the comments what you all would do. Should we take the ceiling down next or finish the walls and then do the ceiling? There you can see the shingles that he got done on this side. We was hoping to work some more on the front of our mobile home, but they're calling for rain all week, so we'll just have to play it by ear.
So I'm going to hook this water line up to this. We got a double line here, but it's only got one water supply coming in. And to avoid having stagnant water or a chance to leak, we're going to hook these together and then we're going to add supply to it. And then when we drain it, it all drains out at the same time. Should save any problems. Could it be?
So you don't have to put any like plumber's tape or anything on those?
I will have to on this one probably. Those here got rubber seals.
Oh, okay.
And I'll just snug them up and they should be okay. If not, they'll leak.
That little tea was it $12 and something? Expensive.
Yeah, for what it is, but then again, if you had to make your own, what would you do?
Yeah. That's better than having stagnant water too.
Yeah, I don't know. Critters growing in there and getting in their stuff.
Plus you'll be able to winterize it.
Mm-hmm. Get on there. Okay. And this will go over here. I'll get it tied up where it sets it out, like so. And then everything will work, drain in and drain out just like it's supposed to.
Cool.
Go!
Sounds like a good plan. Not really.
Okay, the thing that comes out here and goes inside, it won't have to be real big.
Oh, okay.
And I'll just hook it right to there and be good to go.
Cool.
Yes. We will probably have to cut us a access panel here somewhere
Mm-hmm.
if we're going to put that reducer valve inside.
Mm-hmm.
But if we're going to hang it on the outside just when we're using it, then we won't need to.
Okay.
Well, there you go. Quick and easy. When you get the right stuff.
Yeah. It always helps to have the correct parts, huh?
Yep. Ugh. But I will come back and put some goop in there.
Goop.
Yeah. Thread sealer.
Thread seal.
Rector
Okay.
seal is what I use.
Okay.
I thought it was in the camper.
Did you look in the closet in the camper?
I did not. That's probably a good idea. See it?
Okay. Did you look in the little cabinet above the stove?
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it ain't up there.
Hmm.
Here's our little panel box right here, this little bitty thing. It's got 2 breakers in it. It's big enough to put a third, but I'm gonna go to the bigger one with like a 5 or a 6 and replace all that, put it in here and have us a new modern one.
Cool.
It'd be
So-
the way to go. That way we can have a hookup and a separate one for like the microwave and one for the air conditioner and not overloading anything in the fan. So you didn't really need much.
Yeah, back when they built it, it probably was plenty, huh?
Mm-hmm. That's a neat little box though. It'll be good for me to check out the wiring and stuff in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
What now, brown cow?
Well, gotta go in the barn and see if my heat's in there or not.
Do what?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Go to the barn and see if the thread sealer's in there. Ooh, new receptacle. You gotta try find some receptacles that look really old, you know,
Mm-hmm.
or even some just old ones. That way look a little bit more era.
Vintage.
Yeah, that's the word. Don't let me forget to run a wire for the 12-volt light here.
Okay.
Okay, that little 12-volt light above the kitchen thing in there, I'll probably go with the solar panel and a small 12-volt battery to run it off of. I think because a little battery will run it for days and days. Probably change it over to a 12-volt LED.
Okay.
They make LEDs for everything anymore.
Yeah, that's true. They're the way of the future, huh?
Yeah.
I saw a video the other day. The guy said fluorescent is out.
Yep. But the look is so good. Arrivederci, buenas noches. And we'll see you later. And I got to go do some weed eating at my son's house.
We'll see y'all on the next one.